Hey, it's Mark the Guitar Guy here with some more Q&As or Ask Mark Anythings. One of the questions I get a lot, or at least not even so much the questions, it's one of the things I've come across the most, especially in the latest Skype lessons that I've been doing, is a reoccurring theme that happens with so many people. And I'm just thinking, you've seen my videos and you must have seen the one on how to hold a guitar pick. Now this comes up so many times. What I advise you, if you're having any issues, or even if you think you're confident, go back and see those videos on how to hold a guitar pick, or the 5 steps to perfect picking, or something like that. There's one of those videos, we'll put a link. But basically, so many people, even though they've seen that video, they've got like 4 of the 5 steps. And that's cool, I'm happy to help people with that, but it would save so many problems if people would realise that where they're picking and how they're picking is affecting their guitar playing. There is one other thing though to do with this, and this is with the picking thing that's come up. So many people will have that issue. I'm like, you've seen my videos, but I'm going to show you now. And it's just, I'm not without a pick, hopefully you can see that. Can you see that okay? What we want is, a lot of people were picking and strumming across the sound hole. Now, that's what we naturally think. When I strum, I should strum across the sound hole. And I thought that when I first started playing. But really, if I sit naturally, my arm should sit and swing across the back of the sound hole. That's naturally where most people's arms swing. So the same thing with picking. You put your little finger on the guitar, and you want to use that guitar pick to pick out the individual strings. The little finger sits comfortably back here, but if you're here, it kind of feels like it's going to fall in the hole. So you want that guitar pick to be back. You want to be picking at the back of the guitar, not completely the back because it's a horrible sound back here, but right about the back of the sound hole, okay? And you'll find naturally your tick-tock will happen naturally from there, and also you'll be able to do palm muting really easily. So that's one of the things that came up a whole bunch of times when I was doing guitar lessons. So if you're having any issues, just check those things out. Am I holding the pick correctly? Is my arm swinging at the right spot? Hopefully that'll help you a whole bunch. But I just see so many people with that issue, and it's not their fault, it's just no one's there to show them. But that's what I see when I see you in a guitar lesson, which I advise you to do, by the way. If you want to get in touch with me, you can go to Facebook, click the Book Now button, and I can have a look at your technique, and I won't be very critical and all that sort of stuff. I'll just be able to go, oh wow, if you just adjust this little part here, that's going to help you a whole lot. And I swear it does. It really does make a difference. So, and might be something, it's the simplest little thing that you're not even thinking of that I can help you with, and can totally transform your guitar playing. So hopefully that's helped you out, and I look forward to seeing you again. If you want to get in touch with me, book now, go to my Facebook page, click the Book Now button, or you can get in touch with me through marktheguitarguy.net and many other ways, and just look at the description below, get in touch with me all those ways. I hope you've enjoyed this lesson. I'm looking forward to seeing you again very soon.